see a little, it kind of looks like it has a little bit of a hook right there. So if we go ahead and kind of zoom in there and kind of look at the velocity on that, we can really see, we're going to watch this area here. You see how it has a little bit of either a bow echo, and there we're seeing a little bit of a kind of a maybe a little bit of a notch. Brian, what do you think about that?
A little bit. There's
right just to the south of Topeka area there. Basically, this is going to be north of, Highway 136 there. So we're going to watch that one pretty closely because those bright greens indicate very gusty winds. And Brian, what's this moving at? About 35 miles per hour? Off to the east, I believe.
Yeah, I think it's about 35. I do want to say, too, we have reports coming in Fulton County of some trees down along Route 100. So we'll see if we can get more information on that. Again, this one here is moving east about 40 or so. That's where it's going.
Yeah, it's going to put it into areas like San Jose at about 11:01, into the Delavan area by about 11:08. So that's where, rather 11:06, and then by 11:10 into the Emden area. So if you're anywhere in this line, in this list of cities here, cities and towns, you want to make sure you are taking your precautions. Make sure you get to or you're in a sturdy building, because even if it doesn't have a tornado on it, it's still producing some very gusty winds, gusts up to about 60 miles per hour, and $half size hail. That's going to do some damage to some property, and it's also going to really impact you. Look at this, the hail detector there. Let's go ahead and zoom in on that, Brian. Let's see what that is. That looks like it might be about 2-inch hail there, here just off to Havana. Again, this looks like it is about a scan behind us, but about 2-inch hail. That's almost about, what would you say, Brian, tennis ball size hail?
That's probably close to tennis ball size, maybe a tad smaller, but generally, about that size there.
Yeah, that's
I do want to update you, Joe, that the severe thunderstorm warning for Peoria, Tazewell, and Woodford has expired.
Has expired. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at broad view right now over the entire area and kind of talk about what we have going on, kind of just do a radar tour and take off the lightning there. And as we kind of zoom out, we're going to see, now we're starting to see, that makes sense, they did go ahead and kind of expire that warning off across northern portions of Peoria County, as that part of the storm starting to become, it's just become a lot more muddled kind of there. We're just